Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel Soccer Tales. So let's start with the hot topic. East Bengal's ex-coach Trevor James Morgan. Trevor James Morgan told to Goal.com that East Bengal have some internal politics in the club, and not only that, East Bengal also buy some player which is being selected by the club officials. So I don't think he is wrong, because this year also East Bengal is doing like that only. They are not taking suggestions of any coach. They are building their own team, and then they will hand over this team to a coach, which is not good at all, because you need to discuss with the coach. And first of all, when you build a team, you should have a coach or manager in your team who can tell you that what's his future goal towards the team. So if you select player by yourself and you hand over the team to a coach, and every coach have their own strategy, and they need player who can fulfill those strategies. So if you are not taking player like that, and you are handing over the team you want to hand over, and then coach unable to give you the best, so then you will go and blame the coach, which is very wrong. And I think Trevor James Morgan, every East Bengal fan stand by you, because this is very true, and we have also seen in our naked eyes. So you are right, Trevor James Morgan. We all agree with you regarding this issue. There is an update regarding Shavong and Harmanpreet Singh. The Harmanpreet Singh and Shavong both agree to East Bengal terms, and they have came to a mutual understanding. They have given their words to East Bengal official already, and but they haven't signed for East Bengal, because they are looking for East Bengal's future. And East Bengal club official told them to wait up to June 1st and second week. After Vikram Pratap Singh, East Bengal is all set to lose another Indian Arrows player, and that is Gibson. Gibson is all set to join Kerala Blaster FC, and this is a huge blow to East Bengal officials as well. This is a good news to East Bengal fan if you people are playing ISL. But this is a good news. After Omid Singh, East Bengal is all set to sign Crivellaro. Crivellaro had a mutual understanding with East Bengal. They have been agreed to that there has been an agreement between both of them, between the East Bengal club officials and Crivellaro, that if East Bengal plays in ISL, he will be signing for East Bengal. So this is a great buy. So if I criticize East Bengal officials for other signings, this is a brilliant signing. This is a brilliant signing. He is a beautiful midfielder. So if East Bengal is going to play ISL, then this midfielder will play for your team. So many people don't talk about this, but I will, because I have only 39 subscribers. What to fear for? I don't fear. If AIFF and FSDL go and put a case against me, I will fight. No issue. लगा दो, strike लगा दो वीडियो में. Before I say anything against you, strike लगा दो जाके. कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. One thing I like to say about AIFF and FSDL, they are trying to put the young generation to the ISL, and that is why East Bengal is losing a lot of young talents, because it's being hard that they have said that you people need to go to ISL for your better future. Better future है क्या? कुछ नहीं है. आज कोमल का क्या हुआ? ATK में था, कुछ कर पाया? नहीं कर पाया. बेंच वार्मर भी नहीं रहा किसी मैच में. So I want to tell you one thing. There is a talent known as Komal who have gone to ATK, but This season I haven't seen him so far in the ISL. He is one of the best Indian talents. He haven't got the time to play in the ground, so he have lost his confidence, because if a young player don't get a chance to play in the team, so how can you expect that young lad will perform good in my Indian team if that player don't get the time to play? What is the use of taking those young talents and destroying those players? So what AIFF told to the talents who was being targeted by East Bengal कि देखो भाई, ईस्ट बंगाल का कोई ये नहीं है वो कहाँ पर खेलेगा, तुम लोग ISL में चला जाओ. नाउ आई एम आस्किंग अ डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन टू AIFF and FSDL. You are taking these young lads and you are destroying it. Are you doing anything good to this nation? Because if these young players get chance to play in second division, I'm talking about the I League, then they can get better game time, because second division team don't have so much options with them. And to be very honest, this player could be the superstar for the I League teams, and you don't know that if now you some people will come and tell कि आई लीग में उतना अच्छा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, आई लीग में इतना अच्छा कोचेस नहीं आता है, आई लीग में इतना अच्छा फॉरेनर्स खेलता नहीं है. अरे भाई, अगर प्लेयर खेलेगा नहीं तो ये सब शो ऑफ करके होगा क्या? ये सब शो ऑफ करके कि आई एम लिविंग अ ब्यूटीफुल लाइफ बट आई डोंट प्ले फुटबॉलर, बट आई एम एन यंग इंडियन टैलेंट. अरे ये कैसे हिपोक्रेसी हुआ भाई? सो फॉर मी, FSDL and AIFF, you can send me a letter because I haven't spoke for you. If you want, and if you want to take some suggestions from me, send this player to the second division teams, because these player will be asset for those teams and they will get 18 to 19 matches to play throughout the season. That will change the game, that will give them confidence. A good t-shirt, good amount of money, good boots, good coaches doesn't make a player good until and unless he is playing in the ground. That's the reason Sunil Chhetri left Lisbon and came back to India. You need to understand the philosophy. I hope my message will go ahead, and if East Bengal got these players like Gibson, Harmanpreet Singh, Shabong. Harmanpreet Singh and Shabong is all set for East Bengal right now if nothing goes wrong. But if Vikram Pratap Singh, these players could get better game time in East Bengal, because East Bengal is a team whose average age is right now 30 or 28 to 30, because all are aged players. So they could have get much more time, and East Bengal play so many trophies. They play Calcutta Football League, they play Durand Cup, they will play. So I just want to say कि the young lads don't need the Masala League. They don't need to play in the top league. They should be the part of second league for at least 1 or 2 more seasons, so that they could become a very good professional player. Thank you. So for today this much. I don't have much more topic to share with you people. Bye, take care, and please don't forget to subscribe my video. I will share my Facebook page and Instagram ID as well in my description box. Go and like it and follow me as well. Chalo, bye.